In this video, I will explain my final assignment about business letter. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Wulan Aika Fadila Samasir. I'm from AKP 4B. Okay, first of all, a business letter is a formal written form of communication used in professional settings between individuals, companies, or organizations. Business letters are characterized by their formal tone, clear language, and organized structure. One common type of business letter is the inquiry letter, which is written to ask for specific information. A well-structured business letter typically consists of 12 essential parts. It begins with the sender's address, which is placed at the top left corner of the letter unless a company letterhead is used. Just below that is the date, indicating when the letter was written. The next section is the recipient's address, which includes the recipient's name, title, company, and full mailing address. Following that is the salutation, such as Dear Mr. Smith, or to whom it may concern, to politely open the letter. An optional subject line may be included after the salutation to briefly state the main topic of the letter. The opening paragraph follows, where the reader introduces themselves and states the purpose of the letter. This leads into the body paragraph, which provides the detailed explanation of issue, inquiry, request, or any other relevant information. After the body, a closing paragraph is included to summarize the message and often express hope for a response or suggest a next step. The letter ends with a complimentary clause, such as sincerely or best regards, followed by the signature, which includes the sender's name and job title. If additional documents are attached, they are mentioned in the enclosure section. Lastly, the courtesy copy line may be used to show who else is receiving a copy of the letter. These components ensure that the business letter is complete, professional, and clearly understood. To ensure effectiveness, business letters should follow the 7 C's of communication. First, clear, easy to understand. Second, concise, brief, and to the point. Third, correct, free from errors. Courteous, respectful, and polite. 5. Conversational, specific and factual. 6. Convincing, showing empathy toward the reader. And complete, containing all necessary information. Applying this principle helps deliver message professionally and ensures the recipient understands the purpose of the communication. One type of business letter is an inquiry letter. An inquiry letter is a formal type of business correspondence written by prospective buyer or client to request information about product, service, pricing, availability, or business terms. Once the inquiry is received, the seller typically sends a reply to inquiry letter, which is the provides the request information such as product specification, prices, discounts, payment methods, and delivery option. This reply is not informative but also persuasive, encouraging the buyer to proceed with an order. If the buyer is satisfied with the response, they will proceed by placing an order. This can be done through a formal letter or by filling out an unofficial order form, which includes essential details like names, quantities, price, delivery dates, payment terms, and shipping instructions. To confirm that the order has been received, The seller usually sends an acknowledgement of order, which restates the order details and inform the buyer that the order is being processed. Depending on the seller's capacity, they may issue an acceptance letter confirming that the order will be fulfilled according to the agreed terms. However, in some cases, a decline letter may be necessary. If, for simple example, the item is out of stock or delivery cannot be made on time, this letter should politely explain the reason for the rejection and, if possible, suggest alternative. Once the goods are shipped, the seller sends an advice of dispatch notifying the buyer that the items are on the way and providing shipment details such as tracking number, expected arrival date, and carrier information. In the event that delivery is delayed, the seller must issue a letter of delay in delivery. This letter should offer a clear explanation for the delay, an apology for the inconvenience, and a revised delivery date. Through this communication process, professionalism and quality are essential to maintaining trust and effective business relationships. Each of these letters plays a critical role in ensuring transparency and smooth transaction between the buyer and seller. Okay, all of this about explanation business letter, and one type of business letter is inquiry letter. Thank you for watching this video.